Alright, this one's a little weird. It runs off the governor and nothing else, so you gotta pull that up. And then pull it a couple times. Show me. There you go. She started on the first pull since about probably 18, 19 hours ago. So that's not too bad. This one I believe has a, I'd say that's probably about a 20-inch auger. Not like my Chieftain over here that has a 28. But it's got an 8-horse Briggs on it. And yeah, it's a clean running machine. Got it for free, so you can't complain. It's got some paint fading and everything, but no rust. But yeah, this one is a, look on the thing here, this one is a 1970. So yeah, 41 years old. So yeah, next we are going to be starting that one. So yeah, and then maybe we'll do something with this one, but that's pause, and I don't know. He might get kind of mad if I break it, which I probably will. But anyways, so that one's next. Thank you all for watching. Remember, rate, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see y'all in the next video.